welcome to O'Rourke Coachtrimmers. Here you'll find fantastic cars always being worked on, and this 246 Dino, we've replicated how it left the factory originally. This Dino has the unusual but original option choice of towel and seat centres, which came in many colours. These seats are very much a 70s fashion statement. In the Italian heat, the vinyl seats would have been very sticky and unusable. So therefore these towel and seat centres serve a really practical purpose. Dinos came new with many seat options, such as the original vinyl, leather and the Daytona style, which you see fitted to the chairs and flares model. When you take your car to be retrimmed, you expect to see the seats get recovered and the cabin get recarpeted. Here at O'Rourke Coachtrimmers, we pride ourselves on the very finest of details. A detail I love to see in a correct Dino is the scar vinyl travelling in the same direction towards the front of the car. As you can see here on the seats, the centre console and the door panels. As well as all the intrinsic details when trimming a 246 Dino to get right, such as the insides of the seats, the scar vinyl and the cotton on the centre console, a detail I like to see on the dashboard is inside the glove compartment, having this trim pulled around all these intrinsic details and shapes and curves, still finding enough material to go around here in one piece. These are very difficult dashboards to retrim. They're foamed on the top and glued to the face, and to get all these beautiful shapes out in one go is no easy feat. And we pride ourselves on getting the material to fold all around these contours. We don't cut the material here and let it in. A lot of trimmers you see do that and then slide a diamond piece of material in afterwards. We can get them all out in one piece, like the trimmers of old, obeying the laws. With our vast experience, our archive and our obsession with period correct detail, we are able to offer the most authentic and perfect interiors available anywhere. These Dinos are now around 50 years old. When the interior elements are beyond repair, we have the in-house skill and experience to recreate exactly the specification, such as seat frames, the foam mouldings, floor mats, and the matching materials. So whether a customer requires an authentic restoration as per original or to another factory specification, from vinyl to leather, toweling to Daytona, you know here at O'Rourke you're going to get the very best period correct interior. Not all of our customers are driven by originality, which leads them to our O'Rourke Bespoke programme.